All right, let's get right into it. The whole foundation of your metabolic health really is built on this one core idea. Your body is a super sophisticated hybrid engine.
And like any good hybrid, it runs on two primary fuels. You've got carbohydrates, or glucose. Think of this as your high-octane, fast-burning racing fuel for immediate power. And then you have fats, or fatty acids. That's your long-range, super-efficient fuel for endurance. A truly healthy body is designed to switch between these two, just seamlessly.
Now, this ability to switch back and forth, it has a name. It's called metabolic flexibility. You can just think of it as your body's fuel selector switch. It's what allows you to maintain perfect energy balance, what scientists call homeostasis. You eat some carbs, boom, the switch flips to burning glucose. You're fasting or going for a long run, boom, it flips right over to burning fat. This adaptability, it's the absolute cornerstone of feeling fantastic.